How to delete a shared calendar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the calendar application on your phone. The iPhone comes with a built-in calendar app that allows users to manage events, appointments, and meetings. It offers various views like day, week, month, and list, and supports multiple calendars for organization. Users can also add events, set reminders, and share calendars with others. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Calendars in the middle. You can view all your calendar events over here. Tap on the icon beside any of the calendar. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Calendar. Tap on Delete Calendar again to confirm. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily delete a shared calendar on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.